Get ready to learn the secrets of a classic pastry. Today, we're diving into a delightful recipe for delicate vanilla crescents. First, let's gather our ingredients: 300 grams of plain flour and 40 grams of icing sugar to give it that perfect sweetness. You'll also need 200 grams of butter for richness and 100 grams of hazelnuts for a nutty flavor. 2 egg yolks for tenderness and texture in our dough. Now, place your hazelnuts in the oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. 3138 next. Remove as much of the skin from the hot hazelnuts as possible. A jar with a lid can help. Grind the hazelnuts very finely to incorporate them into the dough. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl and knead into a smooth dough. Mix all the ingredients together and knead into a smooth dough. Wrap the dough in foil and let it rest in a cool place to set. Today, the granddaughters came to help. Press the dough into molds or roll it into logs and bend them into crescent shapes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Be careful, every oven bakes differently. Next, mix the icing sugar with vanilla sugar. Coat the crescents while they are still warm. And that's it. Enjoy your meal and Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Bon appetit.